हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड दिख रही हूँ और होना भी चाहिए। एज यू नो, रिसेंटली आई हैड गॉन टू दिल्ली विद माय डॉटर और मुझे खुद पे यकीन नहीं आ रहा कि मैं दिल्ली में जाके सिर्फ 3 दिन के लिए गई हूँ और 3 दिन में मैंने क्या कुछ नहीं किया। आई कवर्ड मीटिंग माई रिलेटिव्स, then I did the college admission process, but also I squeezed out time to do a haul, a good shopping spree at the most viral place in Delhi, Sarojini Nagar Market. तो आज उसी के connected मेरा ये vlog है where I'm going to do this mini haul video of showing you guys what all I have purchased from there, and I'm so excited. But purchase is limited to only my clothes and my daughter's clothes, and my daughter is filming the video today for me and she's helping me out. Love to you, Anya. And let's roll. इतना कुछ मैंने लिया, इतना कुछ लिया, बट अभी जब मैं फिल्म करने जा रही हूँ ना, मुझे ऊपर का लेयर देख के ऐसे लग रहा है सिर्फ ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट चीजें लिए हैं क्या? यस, मोस्टली ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट चीजें ही लिए हैं। ये मेरी प्रिय डॉटर की वजह से है, बिकॉज उसको जो भी हाथ में नजर आता है वो यहाँ व्हाइट यहाँ ब्लैक। अभी भी मुझे फिल्म करनी है, एक बार आने अपने आप को दिखाओ और पूरा ब्लैक दिखाओ तो
नहीं।
शी इज वेयरिंग टॉप टू डाउन ब्लैक अगेन। और मैं इतनी चिढ़ती हूँ ना उसके साथ कि क्यों हमेशा ब्लैक चुनती है। जस्ट सी द मेजर क्लोथ्स दैट शी इज बॉट इज ब्लैक, व्हाइट और नेवी ब्लू। कुछ एक आधा स्किन कलर होंगी या एक आधा अगर स्प्लैश ऑफ कलर होगा तो वो मेरी वजह से होगा। बट सच पूछो तो यार मेरी बेटी मेरे पे गई है, मैं भी ऐसे ही कलर्स चुनती हूँ, वेरी बेसिक, वेरी नॉर्मल। Anyway, so where should we start? I think I'll start with my things because hers is too much. So let me start with the bottom wear. I was so shocked, so amazed that these guys are selling in Sarojini Market trousers of this kind, of all kinds of cut, and because I wear very loose fits, so I love this. And it has this lovely belted look. Yeah, don't laugh at my size. पीछे से दिखाओ ना थोड़ा. At this belted look, and the material, if I could show you through the camera, is so thick, so smooth, so beautiful, so buttery. I am like in love with this, and I just couldn't keep my hands off it, and I bought one trouser and I bought another one. ये तो पूरा bell bottom like a feel है, you know. It is just an ankle length trouser. This is the cut. I'm holding it in half like this so that you can see the cut from top to bottom. And now when I open it, yes, this one has pockets, and the other one that I showed in brown did not have pockets. तो एक मैंने ये black लिया है, एक मैंने ये brown लिया है. And when I showed it to my husband, Samir said that these are all Indonesian products, I believe. So maybe, but the material is to die for. It is. And the pricing, I have to tell you the pricing while I go individually. These both for just 200 each. OMG. Moving on, Kiki. Next item now I bought for the lower is, मेरी size के ना shorts मुझे कम ही मिलते हैं इस kind of सस्ते टिकाऊ range में. तो when I saw these, I said these are such comfort wear और अभी चल रही हैं गर्मियाँ, एकदम मई का महीना. And I found this pure cottons, very soft material, huge deep pocket with a belt and back pockets ka shorts of my size, and I grabbed them. Pure cotton for summers, and this was for 150 only. So going downward in range, I guess, starting with 200 going on to 150, and this entire lot, this entire haul is starting between 50 rupees. Can you believe it? From 50 to max, I think was 300. Was there anything? No, max was 250. Imagine. सच्ची में यार ये नाम है मार्केट का, तो it's not that you get used products or all these kind of products जिसके लिए ये ना सब डरते हैं. Yes, there may be export surpluses, or there may be a little, you have to be more alert and cautious कि कहीं डैमेज ना निकले पीस. थारो चेक करने के बाद एक एक पीस सिलेक्ट किया है मैंने. Okay, moving on, again sticking to the summer hues, I picked this little top in pure cotton in stripes. It's got that, you know, that a khadi kind of a feel in pure cotton, and it has this little button down look at the back. I hope you can see it clearly. और यहाँ पे ना होली की छींटे की तरह यहाँ पे छींट है of various colors within the stripe. Can you see these dots? It's कोई भुर नहीं निकला हुआ. These are splashes of color, and it has this very pretty little bow in the bottom, and it ends right at your navel kind. So if you're wearing a high waist trouser and this top, it's going to look very chic. So just right for the summers that we are deep into. And this was just for 100 rupees, guys. Only Aksha Taka 100. उसके बाद मैंने एक और समर का टॉप लिया है. This is a little difficult for me to hold it, understand or make it. No, not really. And this is like that halter strappy, you know, top with. This is how it looks on me, and it ends. Though it देखने में ऐसा लग रहा है बहुत ही deep उसका armhole होगा, but no. Once it's rising here, and I wore it and I saw the size once I came back, and it's ending perfectly, and this is in rayon. But I bought it not because of the, I'm not a very big fan of rayon material. I bought it for its cut. For this summery, you know, go in feel of a cut. मैंने उसके लिए लिया है. Very happy. This is again for just 100 rupees. Achha, coming to this little netted thing, it gives a very semi-formal look, not a very casual look. Is this netted top, and these kind of boat neck suits me a lot with the drop shoulder and a little you know a sleeve that ends like this in a drop, and it's a continuous shoulder. तो ये मुझे बहुत पसंद आया, and definitely, you know, you're not thinking that I'm wearing it without an inner. Of course, I'll be wearing a spaghetti inside this because it is totally transparent, the net, and अच्छा खासा ढीला ढाला है. And what is this for? अच्छा, I think इसका अंदर का यहाँ चला गया ना. Yes, there is a little bow that can be, you know, the material can be stretched and converted to bow in the bottom, which is already knotted up to this end, and I'll show it to you what I mean. तो ये जो bow देख रहे हो आप, ये दोनों तरफ ऐसे strings हैं जो आप टान के एक bow में convert कर सकते हो. And I love this top यार. It can be easily worn for a lunch out with friends. So this was for 150 only. Can you imagine this lovely netted top for just 150 rupees? Unthinkable, I think. For me, yes. कलकत्ते में तो मैंने नहीं देखा. यहाँ पे भी अगर मैं कभी कोई स्टॉल्स में गई तो मुझे तो नहीं मिला. और इसके अंदर पहनने के लिए this is a stretchable, not a spaghetti, but an inner wear that I just found for 50 rupees. So I just picked it up. In case I don't get a spaghetti, at least I should have a backup plan B. I think I am done with mine, Anya. Are we done with mine?
Yeah.
Yes, that's it for me. I didn't binge because the purpose of doing this shopping spree was for Anya. She's going to enter into college, and she needs fast moving, easy to dry fits and easy to wash clothes which she can manage on her own, not knowing where she will be in college. अभी भी admission process दूसरे colleges में चल रहा है, and so I thought that this will be the right thing to do since I am in Delhi, to buy her these easy thrifty clothes. And that's why we are right there. Let's start with these. What is this? Okay, oh, this is a nice, you know, a black teeny weeny skirt gives me a very tennis vibe. Right, Anya?
It is
And
called a tennis skirt.
it is called a tennis
Yeah.
skirt, as she says, and it comes with the material is thick enough, not transparent, but it still comes with a satin lining. I mean, it gives such a formal look inside. And this was for how much? Only 200.
200.
This was the maximum I
Yeah.
think I paid for her was 200 over here. And these skirts, she loves these kind of skirts, so I said why not. And since we are at skirts, I got her another semi-formal skirt. This is a stretchy material, woolly stretchy material, but not woolen. It is a cotton blend only, and it's such a beautiful, lovely mini skirt, and fits so well on her. Takes the perfect body shape that we need to highlight, and looks just yum enough. Yeah, actually yum enough. And this skirt is like, you know, a multi-purpose thing which can be teamed with many of the tops that she's bought. So I'll show them to you as I keep progressing. I'll keep this on top so that I can go back to it. Or why not do some of the tops that will go with it? So that is why we picked this up very easily so that we could team it with many things. And let's start with the first one. It's just like I bought a netted top, so did Anya, in a sleeveless thing. I think I should get up on this thing. Why am I holding this skirt on my chest for all things? It's supposed to be held here and it's my body is the wrong body to show it on. But anyways, this is the skirt and this is the netted top. This combination is really good. If you can show this top from the close up, what it looks like. It's a crochet top, not net, but a crochet top. Just see how beautiful the work is, and it ends in a very sexy way just below your bust. And that's where even this begins, It's supposed to be worn. This skirt is not supposed to be worn under the navel. It's supposed to be worn on the navel, and this is how it just ends. ये खत्म होता है और वो शुरू होता है skirt. I hope I was able to explain. And done with this, and this skirt goes again with another thing. There's another top we bought for her. It's a lovely looking top. Look at the back. Just look at. I am so tempted यार कि हमारे youth में ये सब क्यों नहीं होता था और हमने क्यों नहीं पहना. All these skirts, all these things, they're so pretty. It falls like this. Is it visible? Is it visible? And you know what? Amazing thing, it's padded. अरे यार ये टॉप का प्राइस मैं आपको बताऊं. Why don't you guess? Why don't you guys guess? ये ब्लैक वाले का तो मैंने प्राइस नहीं बताया. Just $150 for this crochet top. यार किसी की तो ओरिजिनल मेहनत लगी होगी ना. And this was for just $100. Padded and lovely material, stretchy material. And this also can be paired with this skirt if you see how well it goes. Yeah, I can't believe it. It is such a multi-purpose skirt and all these tops go with it, yeah. She can just change an entire look if she wants. So this done. And does anything else go with this, Sanya? Just have a look. This one? No. It's a clash.
This one.
This one?
This नीचे वाला, yeah.
No, this doesn't go with this. It wasn't bought for this. So that's it. And this skirt was for 150. Just 150. She has now. I asked her, "Do you want to buy more? I'm still in the market. Can you keep searching?" After all this was done, she said, "No, mom. I'm done for the college." I said, "It doesn't look like it, but if you say so." This vlog is turning out to be all in English, ना? मैंने हिंदी में अभी तक कुछ बोला है क्या? कुछ भी नहीं. अब आते हैं एक दो casual tops के ऊपर. This is just a knitwear top. Where is your brown top?
Oh, I forgot to bring
There's
that.
one more. Okay, you
Yeah.
can get an idea that एक ये है. Just a simple grey everyday use top in knitwear. $50. I am declaring it as if मुझे कोहिनूर हीरा मिल गया. And then we come to another casual top of this kind. Just a V-neck, simple both ends V-neck and a thin strap. This is, yes, with the label you can understand it's an got a cold यार. Made in China लिखा हुआ है and export surplus है, ये समझ में आ रहा है. But so comfortable, easy breezy summer wear. They are not woolen, they are not heavy, they are very lightweight, just like this. ये भी वही 50 में मिला है. 50 में मिला है. I can put up a sale right here. एक ये मुझे बहुत पसंद आया. It's giving me a very English vibe. You're going out for, you play golf in the morning and you sit down at the club to have your whatever, a nice iced tea, and this is what you're wearing. A club wear. So I really love this top. And this will go with some of the other things that she's bought. Or even if it doesn't go with the ones that we bought, she's got other things that she has at home with which she can pair this. And this was just for 150 rupees. I'm loving the materials. They're very long-lasting materials. I'm loving the patterns. Simplistic. Very simplistic but very nice and comfortable. And 150 only. And this one is another 150 bracket. It's a tank top in printed that क्या material है ये? इसको क्या material बोलते हैं?
Tissue type.
हाँ?
Tissue.
नहीं टिश्यू नहीं है. It's like वॉश एंड वेयर रेनकोट मटेरियल नहीं, उसे क्या बोलते हैं, विंड शीटर मटेरियल होता है ना, बट इट इज नॉट विंड शीटर मटेरियल, बट इट फील्स लाइक दैट एज इफ द वाटर इज गोइंग टू स्लिप अवे ऑन इट. सो इट्स अ शॉर्ट टंग टॉप इन अ शर्ट स्टाइल, but she can pair it with a skirt if she wants, or with anything else, or with any trouser. It's going to go very cool. And 150 again. And then I found something that I was really looking for, which are a pair of formal trousers. She needs to have a few pairs of formal trousers, shirts, in western wear for presentation sake that she'll have in college. और जब ये बच्चे फॉर्मल प्रेजेंटेशन करते हैं इन ग्रुप ऑफ इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर क्लास और योर टीचर और सम examiners, you need to be formally dressed, for which she bought these. Let me just zip it up. 1 second. So she bought these formal trousers. This is in navy blue and the cut is really formal also, with a proper belted look and pin striped. तो इसके साथ पहनने के लिए she has bought a few formal shirts in white. You know, they're supposed to be in either black and white or in navy blue and white. So we bought this white plain looking shirt in pure cotton. Difficult to maintain for a college going student. And just a little while ago मैं उसको इंस्ट्रक्शन दे रही थी कि आन्या ये 2 बार पहनने के लायक नहीं है, एक बार पहन के तुरंत वॉश करो, just so that you can keep it maintained. So all this I was just instructing. Full sleeve and proper formal collared shirt. ये क्या है? You have to tell me that something is popping on it. Some thread, something. Okay, anyways, कोई दाग नहीं था folks. And these trousers were for just 200 rupees. This shirt was for 150 rupees. सस्ता टिकाऊ. और एक शर्ट लिया है. This is in a wash and wear material, easy to maintain, and it has a proper body curve cut on the sides, if you may see. Another 3/4 look sleeves with collars and front open was just for 150 rupees. I am so glad इसके ये एक trouser हुआ है, and then no trousers you bought? You just bought but you tried a few, but didn't select maybe. Anyways, that's for the formal lot. And since we're talking about formals, I also bought her a jacket, which she can team up with the navy blue pinstripe trousers. These trousers that we just showed you in navy blue, with a navy blue jacket and a white top in the inside. Can we just show it to them in a proper way? ये आप imagine करो, ये top, ये jacket inside and the trouser in the bottom. दिखाई दे रहा है कुछ आन्या? They kind of get an idea of what I mean. So it gives a proper formal look. तो ये एक proper एक set हो गया, and I plan to make her a one proper set in black also. Black jacket with a black trouser and a white top, though she already has. So this was the complete thing. I'm just dumping things, imagine. And this jacket was the highest price thing over there. It was for 350 rupees. But I still found it to be pretty cheap, pretty reasonable. कि 350 में जैकेट मिल रहा है विथ लाइनिंग, ये तो एक्सप्लेन करना मुझे बनता है. Proper collared with lining and pocket. It has a front pocket on both sides, is it? Yeah, both sides front pocket. And proper labeled, everything is just perfect, double collared with lapel hanger. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. I found it to be one of the best buys in this entire lot. 350 में जैकेट, यार 3-4 हज़ार लोग खर्चा कर लेते हैं जैकेट्स के ऊपर, समर जैकेट्स के ऊपर. And the last thing that is yet to be shown is this leather look kind of. Second last thing. Yes, second last thing. One is this skirt in a leather look. I really liked it. She said, "Mama, I want to buy." I said, "ठीक है, ले लो." So if you notice, she's bought all her skirts in the mini size. The black and white one, the tennis black one, and even this leather look one. It has a pocket on both sides. How cool is that? I hadn't noticed the pocket before, you know. And the pocket material is also pretty cool. सब interlock किया हुआ है. The finishing, you must show. अंदर की finishing देखो, पूरा interlock किया हुआ है. कौन बोलता है यार अच्छी चीजें नहीं मिलती? पूरी lining के साथ. What a lovely buy, yaar. And it's got this, you know, the seam stitch look. Proper formal nightwear look. मुझे बहुत मस्त लगा ये. एक ये स्कर्ट लिया. This was for 200. और एक स्कर्ट जो लिया, the last in this haul is this skirt which is mid length. मतलब it's just about near the knees, right, Anna? Am I
No,
wrong?
no, below the knees.
Oh, it's
that's
below
what.
the knees, is it? So this one is just below the knees. I think we have more or less the same height, so I'll show it. Yes, yes. It's a mid-length skirt, but baap, iska jo material hai. I must show it to you in close up. Such a thick material. Oh my God! It's got that felt kind of a look, that soft, smooth thing now. Can be worn for any season, huh? But yes, winter may, if she's wearing this skirt with boots in the bottom and a nice, you know, short top or an inserted, you know, formal top also, is going to look so classic, so English, and what a vibe it is going to give. It is without a pocket. No, it has a pocket. ये सब इसका खुद का खरीदा हुआ है, so I have not much idea. मैंने इतना माथा खपाया नहीं उस वक्त. मैंने कहा जो तुम्हें चाहिए लो. खुली छूट है. Both sides pocket. If you guys can see, it has this lovely, this, you know, seam over here, just to give it a nice, you know, a cut that looks very designer. It isn't looking कि जोड़ किया है या ऐसे बेकार का एक कट डाल दिया है. It's giving it a very designer look. So I'm very very happy. And elastic band है. इसका price मैंने बताया. How much was it for? I'm forgetting.
200 something, I think.
250. Was this for 250?
Yeah,
I
yeah.
think so. This was one of the beginning
Yeah,
purchases.
yeah.
And this is for 250. So maximum was that 300 thing, 350 jacket, and the lowest was 50. Oh my God! I'm so happy with this thing. Hope you guys have enjoyed watching all that I bought from the Delhi Sarojini Market. And soon I'm also going to put up a short reel on the market feel, vibe, and what is it to be just there. Oh, it was another feel altogether. So if you've liked my videos, today's video, please like, share and subscribe, guys, in wholesome. Love you lots. See you in another vlog.